In 2031, millions of jobs disappeared across America. Not because of war, not because of recession, but because machines learned to do the work. Most people adapted. Most people moved on. But then there was Earl Dawson. For 31 years, he built whatever America needed. He wasn't just good at his job. Then one Tuesday morning, everything changed.
The company had installed a new automated system.
Earl cleaned out his locker and quietly walked away. Earl did not go home and give up. He drove to a place most people barely noticed. The same community center where local kids gathered every Saturday. Kids who needed guidance, skills, someone to believe in them. Earl walked in
and introduced himself.
"Hi, I'm Earl Dawson. My name is Earl Dawson. I'm not busy anymore, and I know how to fix things."
The director looked at him for a long moment.
Then she smiled.
"We've been waiting for someone like you."
Earl started with only 6 kids.
Is this chain still good? Is this chain still good?
We just need to clean it up. By the end of the month, there were 43. One of those kids was Marcus Reed. He had failed shop class twice. But Earl never focused on failure. He focused on what Marcus could become. Six weeks later, Marcus rebuilt an entire engine. His mother couldn't believe what she was seeing. Then one afternoon, Patricia Hernandez walked through the door.
I just don't know if I can learn all this.
It takes some time, but you'll get the hang of it. Earl handed her a wrench and said, "There's always something to learn." What began as 6 people was becoming something much larger.
Patricia kept coming back.
Then one repair became 2. I knew I could make it work.
Eventually, she opened a repair shop of her own. But Earl never talked about any of it. He wasn't doing it for recognition. Eventually, a reporter came to hear the story.
She expected to find a man fighting technology.
Technology. But that wasn't what she found. A machine can do my job. But a machine can't look a scared 16-year-old in the eye and tell him his hands are capable of miracles. She sat quietly for a moment. She sat quietly for a moment.
Then she asked a different question.
Now, you want to make sure this edge is completely flush.
Can I stay and watch?
Can I stay and watch? She asked. Pull up a stool. Word spread through town. Veterans came because they needed purpose. Veterans came because they needed purpose. There you go. New arrivals came because they wanted to belong.
Students became teachers and featured.
And every success story led to another. Without realizing it, Earl Dawson had become the heart of the town. By 2033, America had automated more jobs than anyone imagined. Factories became faster. Systems became smarter. Experts debated what the future would look like. But in Youngstown, people weren't waiting for answers. Hey there, good to see you. They were building something instead. People came to learn skills. Looking good, keep it up. But many stayed because they found something more.
Now you just slip this into place. Ah, I see. That makes perfect sense.
Fathers brought sons. Daughters brought mothers. Earl taught every person the same lesson. That the most powerful technology in the world cannot replace the feeling of building something with your own hands. Earl Dawson is 61 years old now.
He still drives the same old pickup.
he still drinks his coffee black. And every morning, he still opens the workshop.
Last year, a technology company made an offer.
Robots teaching robotics. Artificial intelligence teaching skills.
The board considered the proposal. Then they sent a reply.
We already have Earl. Because what Earl built was never a workshop. Somewhere in America right now, there is someone who still has something no machine can offer. Presence, patience, pride.
The greatest thing Earl built was never a project.
It was the belief that people still matter. The machines will keep evolving. They always have. But what we choose to give each other is still up to us.